Rome's conquest of the Italian peninsula, 509 BCE to 264 BCE. Rome's first period of expansion included more than 200 years of almost constant warfare. During this time, Rome gradually took control of the entire Italian peninsula. After the last Etruscan king was overthrown in 509 BCE, the Romans began to expand their territory and influence. In 493 BCE, Roman leaders signed a treaty, or agreement, with their Latin neighbors to the south. The treaty stated, "There shall be peace between the Romans and all the communities of Latins as long as heaven and earth endure." These new allies agreed to band together against their common enemies. During the next 100 years, the Romans fought a number of wars against the Etruscans, as well as against tribes living in hills surrounding Rome. Then, in 390 BCE, Rome nearly came to an end. A band of Gauls, a warlike people from the north, crushed the Roman army and surged into the city. Most of Rome's people fled into the countryside, and the Gauls looted the city, burning most of it down. With the city in ruins, the Romans considered fleeing. Instead, they bravely decided to start over by rebuilding their city and surrounding it with walls. They also developed their army, and, before long, Roman soldiers were on the march again. During the 300s BCE, Rome conquered the Etruscans and many neighboring tribes. To the south, they battled a people called the Samnites and several Greek city-states. By 275 BCE, Rome's conquest of the Italian peninsula was complete. However, expansion came at great cost. Romans had been fighting for 2 centuries, and the Gauls had once destroyed their capital city. As Rome's territory expanded, the city had to maintain a large, permanent army to defend it and the conquered lands. As a result, more and more Romans were forced to serve in the army. Many soldiers were plebeians who resented this fact, leading to civil unrest. Roman citizens were not the only ones who sacrificed for Rome's expansion. Rome allowed the people of some defeated cities to become Roman citizens. Unfortunately, other cities were not treated so well. Many received more limited privileges, such as the ability to trade with Rome, and Roman allies were required to pay Roman taxes and supply soldiers for Roman armies. By 264 BCE, Rome had more citizens and well-trained soldiers than any other power in the Mediterranean world. But very soon, the Romans would face their greatest challenge yet.